Keychain Spies. Today I have the Lawmate PV-RC200. It's a Keychain digital video recorder that takes video and audio. Has a time and date stamp and can last up to approximately 3 hours. The battery is rechargeable. You can recharge it via computer wall outlet. The video is in color, as you can see here. You can do it in either HD or regular VGA resolution. Pretty nice camera. Basically, I'm showing you the video quality of the recorder. Hopefully you can see it in the mirror. If you cannot see the mirror, you can view the product on our website. The link is in the description below. So I'm going to show you the video quality in our showroom here. Or at least record our showroom. And here's the video quality. There's Jerry right here, our PI. These are our other Lawmate products. This right now is our best seller, Black Ops iCharge. Now the Keychain camera, it can take up to 32 gigs of memory, which will give you approximately 32 hours of record time, 1 hour per gigabyte. Comes with a free 4 gigabyte card, so you can start recording immediately. Thank you for watching our video, and my name is SydneyBuyImporium.com. Thank you.